Get instant access to the latest kid shows and movies on demand. And don't forget to set parental controls for your peace of mind.
Sunglasses, getting really hot. Welcome to Studio Q, dudes. I'm your host Nash, and I show you my Lego creations, and I give it a review. That's my brother Chase. Please go see his channel. It's in the friends page of my channel. Crap! Go check out my channel. My channel's good. I edit my videos. I have a camera. Okay, I gotta do this again. Sorry for wasting your time. Welcome to Studio Q, where I show you my Lego reviews. Where I show you my creations and then I give them a review. Legos. You know, I really like Legos. Okay, so I have medical. I struggle with medical things. ADD, anxiety, and autism. So this is a fidget toy. It's called the retro roller, or the retro swing, the retro flippy retro. There's a lot of nicknames. So anyway, this, don't mind my brother, by the way. He's just being stupid. So anyway, this is the retro roller. It literally rolls. Yeah, it rolls. LOL. You see? It just rolls. But it also flips. But anyway, so I just do want to show you. I just really do want to show you. Thank God. I just really sure you want to do the features. It has, this is the, maybe the push-up rolling. I think, maybe like the death pose rolling. It has flippable arms. Yeah, arms that go in maybe like a 90-degree angle. So anyway, there's the it goes into there's another one, death pose, backwards by his head, death pose, front, death pose back, lying down, lying down, yeah, it flips. This is maybe the death pose number 2. I forgot the name. Or maybe Naruto run. So anyway, this took 4 minutes. I think this is gonna take 4 minutes because this is the 4th episode of this video. I did. But anyway, stay tuned for the next episode. Anyway, flip the retro. Thank you. Anyway, so I'm probably gonna edit this video when my dad's computer is gonna come. So anyway, please click my channel right up here to subscribe. Click my recent video, the Kermit episode. Check my brother's channel. And also, if you want to see our popular vids playlist, please go check it out. It's going to be good. So anyway, subscribe to me, subscribe to Chase, my recent video and our popular vids playlist. Bye bye, and also get Legoing.